Hello, dear friends. This is Phone Support Channel. Before you start watching this video, please subscribe to the channel and give it a like. And also write your feedback in the comments if this video helps you, or if you have any questions. Thank you. In this video, I want to show and explain how to make a hard reset on your iPhone. That is, how to reset your iPhone so that it restarts completely, even if it's frozen. Perhaps your screen is unresponsive. If your iPhone has a button, you will need to hold down the power button and the home button at the same time, and hold it until your iPhone restarts, and an Apple will appear. If you have an iPhone with no bezel, you press the volume button up, then down, and hold down the power button. I do those motions and I get a button like this. You can do this if your screen is unresponsive. My iPhone completely restarts, and the Apple already showed up. As you can see, this is a very simple and quick way. Done. There is nothing complicated. If you like this video, put likes and subscribe to the channel, and also watch other useful videos on the channel. If you have any questions or things aren't working out, post in the comments and I'll answer. That was Phone Support. Bye bye. See you later.